Welcome to the 2019 GMC Sierra Elevation 1500. Elevation truck's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks, mirrors, your drivability dial, push button 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio control. Vehicle just shy of 50,000 kilometers. Column shifter, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control and heated seats, integrated trailer braking system as well, dual USB ports and an outlet, dual glove boxes, Bose audio, and we have a little surprise custom leather interior for the Elevation. You can only get them in cloth, so this is catskins leather, still heated, perforated, beautiful condition in the Sierra Elevation. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra Elevation, we do have 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Hankook iPike RW11 winter tires, looking to be in great shape. Color matched door handles, stationary blacked out running boards, Elevation on the front doors, 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. Coming to the front, color matched front bumper and grille, black dry bar, recovery hooks, LED lights, and fog lights. Making our way back down the side here, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, 4x4 badging on the regular box. At the back, we have the trailer tow pack as well as LED brake lights and GMC Sierra Elevation badging. Jumping into the interior again here, second row, again that beautiful cat skins leather, custom matching the blue of the truck. In-seat storage still. You do have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and a solid roof with LED lighting, dual USB ports and a 12-volt, as well as rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking this time to watch the brief walk-around video on the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.